Don't trip over the boots if it gets chaotic in here. Hopefully he just flies out that way. Because we're humans and you don't like us.
Out the window?
Yeah.
The window's shut.
No, I mean out his vent hole. Maybe he can get in there.
Oh, you don't think he's stuck?
I don't know. I mean, if he was stuck, we've been seeing him go in before too recently from the house. In and out. Durr.
I've been holding it, but now it got heavy.
Yeah, because now it's broke loose. I guess I should have warned you. Alright, put your hands underneath. I'm helping one. Alright, move your head. Alright. Help me pick up. Let's move that.
See underneath the part that's duct taped? I don't have a lid for this. Oh, there's the lid.
Oh, now the whole world's gonna see my ghetto-ness.
Yep.
We're gonna have to edit that out. You ready?
No.
In case he bursts out. I think it goes straight down.
What, down to like the stove? Does the stove have any ventilation? The oven?
I don't know.
He doesn't sound like he's down there in the bottom, so.
Been shitting in my house.
Where's he at?
He did fall.
Well, he probably can't fly up there. Hi, little bird. Can you get out of my house now?
Oh, yeah, right away. Scooting around in there?
Yeah.
Step him up in the vacuum and kill him?
I don't think it'll kill him.
Probably not.
It'll just he'll get stuck in the hose part.
Probably.
Can you see him? Is that where his nest is down there?
Big old yellow beak on that son of a bitch.
I can't see him. Shine the light down and let me see on the mirror.
Thought you see him?
Oh, I do see him. Is that a baby? Looks like a baby.
He ain't no baby, he's big.
Big baby. Let me look.
Man, he's a full-sized bird. What the hell are we gonna do? Stick a vacuum on him?
We could try that.
I mean, otherwise he's gonna fly up into our house instead of... There ain't no way he was flying straight up, do you think?
I don't know if they do that or not.
I wouldn't think so.
Oh, it's kind of handsome.
He ain't gonna be. Now, when I get done with him, trying to hang up my house.
Will you get out of my house, bird?
I'm gonna feel bad about this. I'm gonna go to work and tell everybody my girlfriend is a bird killer. She made me do it. It's all her fault.
He's not gonna die. I'm gonna have to turn it off when you suck him in so he doesn't go through the filter.
Reverse it and it would launch him.
It might. Let's get the outside ready.
Once we get ready to open the door.
Yeah. He'll probably fly right back in.
In that hole?
Yeah.
I don't think about like if I should prepare that hood to put back on or go buy a new one. I'd probably buy a
It
new
says
one.
on the internet you should put a bird net over it or something. There's some kind of plastic thing.
Yeah, we need to plug that hole up though, so you don't want to.
No, let's just see if we can get him out first.
Oh, we can get him out. What if he flies right back in?
Then we'll have to do it again.
Alright. Sounds fun. I'm gonna suck everything up but a bird. Man, he's gonna lose his fucking mind when this goes off. He's gonna freak out. He's gonna go everywhere. You got your bucket.
No, it's over there. I was gonna turn it off so he doesn't go into the thing in there. Oh, I guess you could turn it off.
I'm not worried about him going in there. I'd rather him go in there.
But won't he go through the filter then? And like.
No, there's a gap there.
Oh.
He'll hit the filter and fall in the bucket.
Oh, okay.
He might be stuck to the filter till I shut the vacuum off.
But I don't want to hurt him.
He picked the wrong house.
I scared him.
He scared you. You're so bullshit. He scared you.
Get the rest of the bird nest out of there. It scared Al.
Oh man, that's that dog. He can fly out of there. Can you believe that? Fly straight up in that little groove. What are you doing? Get out every day.
Yeah, he's noisy.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, get that bird nest out of there.
My boss says birds can carry diseases in their nests. I need to get a